Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I want to do a sunset eyeshadow makeup tutorial using my Morphe 30502. I've been having this palette for quite a while. It's just that I've not played with it at all or used it or anything, so I decided to do a makeup tutorial. These eyeshadow is absolutely amazing. I feel like it's great for the summer, and I was like, I'm definitely going to try this out because they have the orange shades right here that I definitely want to try out. And also I'm going to be using my Anastasia palette. I'm gonna be using one shade from their palette, and I think it's the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just gonna do my basic face tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Welcome to my channel, and let's get started with the video, shall we? So first thing first, like I normally say, I got my eyebrows done off camera, and I also prime my eyelids using the Wet n Wild concealer, the shade Fair and Light, and I also use the Hoola powder light as well. I'm going to start off with the Morphe 3502 palette. And the good thing about this palette, it has names on it, so that way I can like tell you what shade am I applying. That way it can make it more easier. But these shades are absolutely amazing, and I'm like, well, why not play with it, you know, and show you a little. I have a picture in my mind like what kind of eyeshadow I'm going for, and I'm definitely going for like a sunset eyeshadow. But I'm going to be using like 4 shades in this palette and 1 shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Fluffy brush. So the 2 shades I'm going to be taking is Heat and Ablaze. I'm going to be mixing these 2 shades together. I'm just going to apply it as my transition shade. Not the whole entire lid, but basically in my crease. You can also do circular motions just to like make it more nice and blend in with your eyeshadow. I'm gonna bring it down kind of near by your inner corner. Next, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to be taking this shadow called Brick. In this shade, I'm just going to apply it on my top crease just to like highlight the points of it. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia palette, and this palette I'm going to be taking Love Letter, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to be using my Anastasia brush that comes with the palette. In this shade, I'm actually going to take this and add it in the outer corner. You're just gonna drag it down. So I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild concealer corrector, and I'm just gonna apply it in my inner corner of my eyes, and I'm just gonna be taking my Real Technique detail brush, just gonna apply it in my inner corner. Kind of do like a cut crease, half cut crease. And I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to be using this tip of it. And I'm just going to be taking this shade called Pure, which is more like a gold shade. And then I'm just going to apply it where I apply my eyeshadow. You're just going to like dab. And whatever's in this brush that we apply the Love Letter shade, I'm just going to go and then blend it with the shade. That one won't be any like harsh lines. Just gonna go back with the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take Blaze, and I'm just gonna like highlight the top of my eyeshadow just like this. And then going back with the Anastasia palette, I'm going to be taking this shade called Tempera, which is more like a cream. Just gonna take my vintage brush, and then I'm just gonna apply that on my top of my brow bone, just to highlight the points of it. And then I'm just going to take my NYX eyeliner. This is actually my favorite eyeliner so far. It's so easy to work with. And look what happened. Yeah. Just going to take my mirror. And since I'm not very good at applying eyeliner, I'm just going to get closer. That way you guys can see what I'm doing. Anyways, like I'm saying, this is actually the easiest eyeliner that I tried so far. And it's just been working out for me. We're going to start off with the base, and I'm going to be using my Joise Argan organic oil, and I'm just going to add 3 drops on my face. 1, 2, and 3. Since even though it's really hot, my skin doesn't get oily. I have like very dry skin, and normally I can't even stand like having like dry skin. Primer, I'm going to be using my Insta Flawless by Rimmel London. This one is the shade Clear. This primer is really amazing because even though it's clear, it's just give this kind of like shyness in it, and I really like that a lot. Then for foundation, I'm going to be using my Relvon Photo Ready Insta Fix foundation. This one is the shade Vanilla 120. I'm gonna apply it like on my face, just do like lines. I don't know what I'm doing, just like on the forehead lines. Little sponge, and I'm going to be taking my Mara Badasco spray, and I'm just going to spray my sponge, and I'm just going to like squeeze it just so that the spray of it can suck in the sponge and give a very nice glowy on the skin, but also easy to blend the foundation. And I'm taking my Real Technique sponge. Yeah, it's really difficult to blend in. Next, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition, and this one is the shade Porcelain. I'm just gonna apply it on my nose. That was a cricket one, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna apply it on my chin, on my forehead as well. And with the same sponge, I'm just gonna blend everything out. Then I'm just gonna blend my under eye, just to give some brightness underneath my dark circles, because it does need some help. I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty finishing powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. Set my nose, my forehead, where I highlight with the concealer. Contour my face, I'm going to be using my Revolution concealer. This one is to contour, and this one is the shade C11. And then I'm also going to apply some on my forehead. I'm just going to take the same sponge, and then I'm just going to contour the concealer that I just applied. Blend my forehead as well. Next, for powder, I'm going to be using my Butter Bronzer. The shade is light to medium, so I love the smell of this. And I'm just going to be taking my Wet n Wild contour brush. And then I'm just gonna contour the top just to set the concealer. Next, for blush, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild blush, and this one is the shade Rose Champagne. And I'm just gonna be taking my Wet n Wild brush. For highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Balm Voyage, and this one is the shade, I can't pronounce that, but this is the name of it. I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild brush, highlighter brush, and I'm just going to apply it. Then I'm just going to apply it on my nose, down the bridge, and my cupid's bow. And I'm also going to apply it like on my forehead as well, just like on the sides. And then for lips, I'm going to be using my Tarte lipstick, and this one is the shade Lovely. And for lip gloss, I'm going to use what comes with it. Using my Innocence lip gloss. This one is nude. I just want it to be more lighter with the lips. And I just need a little break. If you guys are wondering what I'm drinking, is this iced coffee from Turtle. It's brand new. I tried it once and it was really good. Every time I order that, I just ask them to put like lightly on the syrup because it's too sweet. Sometimes I just want not too sweet. And I also got this donut from Dunkin' Donut. So good. Okay. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Too Faced mascara. So off camera, I apply my lashes. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little eye and big eye, which is kind of weird. But I mean, I don't know. I try my best applying the lashes. It's actually my third time applying lashes. They look really nice. I just need to get the hang of it, like practice a little bit more and get better at it. So I'm just gonna go back with the Morphe palette, and I'm actually going to apply an eyeshadow on my bottom lash. And the first shade I'm going to be taking is these two shades, which is Heat in a Blaze, and I'm just gonna apply it in the bottom lash line. And then I'm just gonna be taking this shade, which is Fire, and that shade I'm just gonna apply it on my outer corner, bottom lash outer, just to give some kind of like a light up in it. Yeah. I'm just gonna add mascara on my bottom lashes just to set them. Then to set my face, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really like how this turned out. It turned out very pretty. It's very like a sunset eyeshadow look. I really like how I added the colors in it, and I also like how I applied my lashes. I'm wearing lashes. OMG. I'm so happy because I've been practicing to put on lashes. Never works, and I'm all like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep doing it until I get it right. So this is actually the third time applying my lashes, and I just have to keep practicing, you know. And I really like it. Not so bad. I'm very happy with this look, how it came out. I hope you guys enjoy my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And tomorrow, or maybe Thursday, I'm going to be doing a tag get to know me. I feel like ever since I started YouTube channel, I've been posting videos, but like I really don't talk about myself. So I feel like with this this video I'm going to be doing tomorrow or Thursday is just like a tag get to know me a little bit more better. That way, so you guys won't think, who is this stranger? The stranger doesn't even talk about herself, or such as. So I feel like with this video, at least you guys get to know me a little bit better, and who I am, where I'm from, just get to know me a little bit more, and here and there, you know, so I won't be a total stranger to all of you guys. And I love coffee, especially iced coffees. They're my favorites. But yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.